What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm taking a doodle that I did on the desk of my job on some scrap paper. I just really like the way this character came out. It just spoke to me after I did it. I didn't know what I was going for. I just started in pen and just went for it. I started with the eyes. Then I really liked it, so I said I'm gonna do something with it. So I brought it into Procreate. And I thought of a background before I even started. I said I want him in a swampy area because I gave him a fishtail. So I found an image online. And the cool thing about Procreate, you can create a palette from that image. So that's exactly what I did. And the reason I did that, so I can color him in similar colors. So it doesn't look too off or out of place from the background. So that's a good way to look at it too if you're doing something like this and you're taking a background that you did not create and you want to incorporate one of your drawings or something like that within that landscape. You want to use similar colors so it doesn't look out of place. And the reason I decided I'm not gonna do a background because I'm just blurring it and it's just for the overall look of this design. So I said I'm gonna more focus on this guy. And as I got to work, I created a new layer. I had my drawing under that. And I'm on the technical pen and I'm just going for it. And the original drawing was not complete. So I said I'm gonna figure it out as I'm going along in Procreate here. And instantly once I started, I just like the way it's just being cleaned up. And this hand was done, these fingers. The cool thing, you can just always embellish and add your own little flair as you're creating it. This hand was not done. I still didn't know what I was gonna do with it, and then I said I'm gonna have his fingers like submerged in either mud or water since he's gonna be in a swampy area. And now we're just figuring out the colors. I really had no idea what color I wanted him in. I was thinking more of like a dirty beige, kind of vomit looking color. But then I decided to go with a kind of a, guess you could call it a vomit kind of green, a throw up green. And then I created another layer on top of it. And I'm just coming with the black. I lowered the opacity to about 50%. And we're just creating the shadow layer. And it's another thing, when I created this doodle, it was just something that I was just doing. I think I was actually on my break, just on the phone. I had no plans to do anything with this. So all of this basically is like a freestyle. I'm just figuring out the look as I'm going along. There's just something about just flowing with it. I just started to like how it was looking with the sharp edges on the shadow. I usually like to tone it down and blur a little bit and smudge and those type of things. I said I'm not gonna do that too much because I'm kind of liking the sharp edges. So once I tried that there, I said, let me try to stay away from the blur for this one. Just add some more contrast within the greens. Get some highlights going. I definitely wanted some white on top of there because he's in like a swampy area. You figure it's dewy and some type of precipitation is on him. And we are just going for it. I changed up the teeth too from the original, made it more symmetrical with the face. I showed more of the eye on the right that I had from the original drawing too. So when I did that doodle, I was just like, this is an ugly looking character. Let me just take a picture and recreate him. And that's definitely something good to do, you know. Go back, find some old doodles. Now I'm duplicating the layer and I'm just bringing it in to have the background. And that's good to do. When you finish your drawing, you can group the layers and then duplicate it so you have one to mess around with. Just in case you mess up, you always have that original one to go back to. So I definitely like doing that. And the background image, I wanted more of the trees in the back to show, so I brought it up, and then I'm kind of creating my own extended version of it. And all of this is just trial by error. I'm figuring out, should I have him in water? Now I'm created another layer and made it all white so I can have like a little glow of him, a little glow around him. You can select it and do all that type of stuff, but I just like to create the exact drawing and then use that for my, when using Procreate. If you're using other programs, it's a little easier. Just add a little shadow under the eyelids. We're just doing every little thing to enhance it and get a final look. And there you have it, guys. We are done. My creepy swamp creature is complete from doodle to done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop me a comment. Let me know what the deals is. Smack that like button. Hit the subscribe. Any feedback's appreciated. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.